Yeah. Baby boy, what did you find there? Michael, what did you find there? Baby boy, go say hello. Go to baby boy. What did you find, baby boy? Nadine, what did baby boy got there? A flower swatter.
A flower swatter.
Baby B, what's baby boy got there? Ah, 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 ah. No, baby boy, you can't do that to all the water. That's baby B's water. It's baby B's water, baby boy. Michael? What'd you say, Michael? Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's baby B's water. Call baby B. Baby B, go drink your water. What do you say, baby boy? What do you say, baby boy? Whose water's that? Baby B's water. Yes, it's baby B's water. Baby B, go look what baby boy's doing. Baby B, where's baby B? Baby B, go see what baby boy's doing. Come, baby B, come and go to baby boy. Come, let's go to baby boy here. Come, baby B, go basket, go inside house. Come, baby B, go inside house. Baby B, what's baby boy doing? What is he doing? Go kiss baby boy. Go kiss baby boy, baby B. What's baby boy doing? Go kissy kissy, baby boy. Baby B, go say hello. What is baby boy doing? Baby boy, what are you doing? Michael? Baby B, what is baby boy doing? He's making a pot. What are you doing, baby boy? What is baby boy doing? Michael, show the pot. The pot of water. You're making a mix. You're making a mix, baby boy. You're drinking now. Ah, he's drinking. Oh no. Baby boy made a mess. Nadine, baby boy threw the water all over his clothes. Okay, that was fun. That must have been a lot of fun, eh? What's baby boy? Baby boy, what are you doing? That's baby B's water. Baby B, what is baby boy has drunk up all your water? Baby B, come go look. Baby B. Finished. Water's finished. No more water, baby boy. Yeah, it's finished now. Okay, give to auntie. Give to auntie the pot. Give to auntie the pot of water. What are you doing? Where's mommy? I don't know what baby boy's done. Baby B, do you know what baby boy's done? He's emptied out your whole pot. Baby B. Baby B. Come see what baby boy's done to your pot. His baby boy's emptied out your pot, baby B. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Baby B, where are you? You emptied out the whole pot. And Baby B is not too happy because now she's got no water. Baby B, where are you?
Outside.
Baby B.
Francheska.
Baby B, baby boy, emptied out your pot. Call her, call her.
Hey, come. Come.
Baby B, baby boy, emptied out your whole pot. That you got no water.